everyone, back with another video. But today is a little different. We're going to be recording a math video. So today we're going to be learning about the expense form. For example, we have the number, I don't know, like 329. Okay? We have to put that in expanded form. So if we put that in a place values table, you always know the first one is the ones, second one is the tens, and the third one is the hundreds. So this is a little trick I use. So in the ones you don't add any zeros. In the tens you add one more zero, so that's 20. Invisible zeros, obviously, you don't actually place them. And then for the 100 you add 2 zeros. And then so on, the pattern continues. So if you can tell, 3 is equal to 300. 2 equals to 20 because you had 1 0. And 9 equals to 9. And that's it. Follow up. Then just add a plus equals the number that you're starting with. Boom. 329. So, since that's done, okay? So then we're gonna work on what's it called? Expanded form, like never mind. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna learn about place value is base 10 blocks. So just a little header. Base 10 blocks. So in your class, you're probably going to be asked to, like for example, we have this. Just imagine this has 100. I'm not going to add the little squares. So that's 100. That's 200. We're gonna want the same number that we decided in the last thing, in the expanded form. That's 300. So look back here. There's 3 in the hundreds place. So you know that you need 3 hundreds. See that? So then let's see how much in the tens place. 2. So we had 2 tens. There are 2 tens right there. And how much in one place? 9. So we had 9 ones. Oopsie. Okay. That's 9 right there. And then in your class, you're probably going to be asked to, what is the standard form? Standard form is the main number. So as you can see, this number is 329. So this standard form is this, 329. That's the standard form. But expanded form is addition, just problem 300 plus 20 plus 9. And then now we're going to do base 10 blocks. So in your class, you're probably, your teacher might give a quiz or something, and they will ask you to add up everything. Okay. So for here, you can see there is 9 ones. So you take out the invisible thing. I'm just gonna show it, but usually you're not. This is supposed to be invisible. Okay. So we put the 3 over here. I'm sorry. You put the 9 because there's 9 in the ones place. There's 2 in the tens place because there's 2 tens. And there's 3 in the hundreds place because there's 3 hundreds. Pretty simple, right? So, and then you got the answer, 329. What if it's a little trick question? So, what if it's like just a trick question. So what if it was like this? Okay, let me just write this. What if it was like this? Sorry, I'm just take a while. What the? Sorry, something has happened. So as you can see, I would like you to count this. How much? Okay, there's 11, right? So let's get the... This will be a little bit hard, but tricky, but I know I can do it. Okay, and it's at 300s. Or just do 400s, okay? So, as you can see, there are 11 ones. And you know that 11 can't fit in the ones place. So, since there's 11, you take minus 10, and you add one more 10 to the 10th place. So now there's 1 in the ones place because that's what left. That's what the number is left. So now you just get your invisible place value table and write 1 in the ones place. And okay, that's done. Since there's one more 10 there, now there will be 10 tens. Wait, forgot one, never mind. Well, yeah, since there is 10 like tens, you have to add one more to 100s. Cause okay, so if anything is more than 10 in each place value, so for example, there's 10 here. That's not possible. One has to go over here because like the maximum that okay, these are the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So only those digits can fit in one place value area. So right now it's 1, 0, and 1 in the ones place, and 0 in the tens place. And now let's count how many more. There's one more additional 100. So just do that. So there's one more additional 100. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 500. Put the 5 in. Let me make this a little clearer. 5. Yeah. See? So there's 5 in the hundreds, 0 in the tens, and 1 in the ones. So now, yeah, there, right there. 5 in the hundreds, 0 in the tens, and 1 in the ones. So 501 is the answer. Simple. So now we're gonna do word form. Okay. So as you probably know, as you know that there is like what's it called? Sorry. Okay. You know. Oh, sorry. I just forgot what I was gonna say for a second. Now I remember. Okay, so let's do word form. Word form. Okay, there's 3. Okay, I'll show you this. So this is word form. Word form. Okay. Okay. So in word form, it's pretty much just words. So for example, 100, just 100, 100. right? 100. Simple. You know that. Okay? But what if you want to do 329? So you're right. First write 300. So 3, add one of those, like dash, add 100, and then add what's it called? 309. Okay, it's pretty simple. This is where place value helps you do it. So as you can see, we're gonna take this example. Wait. Okay, as you can see from this example, because since the number is 309. Oh yeah, whenever we're writing numbers, do not add and. Okay, don't add and anywhere. Only when you're saying it, it's fine. But when you're writing it, do not add and. Okay, so when you're here, it's 309. So this is where you can help you. Place what can help you. So you see 3 is over here. So you just said 3 first, because it's first here. And then 0 is in the 10th place. So it's just supposed to say 300. So if it was 1, it would be 300. It will still be 300 because it's 300. And then we're gonna pretty much use expand and 19 because you don't count this. You don't say that separately. You take it in with the tens. But if there's 0 in the tens place, then you can just do like this, 309. So that's it for the word form. I'm gonna end off the video there. Subscribe and like the video, and bye.